Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how we can use shared pointer and what is actually a shared pointer. The question is what do this shared pointer and why we need it. C++ provides the shared pointer template which tracks how many places in your program are sharing. This this means we have a specific place in our memory and we want to share it between different owners. The benefit of this shared pointer is it would automatically delete it if we no longer need it. What we want to do here is write a class and define an object of this class, give it a value for it, and share it. Okay, for the first we need a class, so wait here, let's go write our class. We call it my class. Okay, this class gonna take an integer. It has a member as integer, private, and let's call it number. For sure we have some function as methods. As I said, this functions I'm gonna take a value. For taking the value from outside of functions, we write a constructor. I hope that you know what it is. If you don't know, I can say the constructor is a function with the same name as class. And this gonna take a value. Let's call it value. Done. And how we want to write the structure. And the structure, you can write that the structure have the same name as class, but don't forget this this sign. In our destruct, we're gonna write, let's say, destroying this number. Let's print the number. Done. And what I want to do is to say this value, I want to initialize the number. How can I do that? I can write a setter. I can say it's equal to something. Let's go with a equal operations. A void. For that we need a operator equal, and it takes and value. That's done. Number is equal to value. This is one way we can initialize our number. Our member number. And of course we can say void set number int value number is equal to value. This is another method to do it. We have different methods, but let's do it with a equal overloading. And I want to write a function to return the value. So return the member, this member, and the data type of number is int. So our functions are going to be int get num. Let's call it get num, and it's for sure const because we don't change a value, we just return it. Return number. That's cool. Okay. Let's write a function that takes a shared pointer of our object, our class, and change the value of it. But first, I go in main and define a state shared pointer. The type of this shared pointer is my class. I'm gonna call it shared. Done. I want to pass this this shared class to my function and change the value of it. And for sure, we need to initialize this shared pointer. What we want to share is an object. Let's do it in heap. New, my class, and I give it 10, 20. It's okay. What does this line mean? This line means I have a function in my heap and it takes the value 20 and I want to share this place in heap. How about another one? Okay, that's it. I just write a function, let's call it change, and this function takes an element with the type of shared class. Let's call it num. What I have to do here, this is a pointer. This is a shared pointer. I have to check it. Let's say it isn't equal to null pointer. What is this condition? This condition say if my num it isn't equal to null pointer, it means it has value. Num is equal to, let's change it to 50. Okay, and this is our functions. And what we have to do here, just call our functions. Let's call it change and pass it my share pointer. This one, I pass it this one to my function. Done. Let's run it. Take a look at it. It runs really good without any error. Here the value, the new value is 50 because we passed my object as shared place, as shared pointer to my function, to this function, and this function changed the value to 50. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you learned something and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.